What is a zero-waste starter kit?
That is a zero-waste starter kit, is a collection of reusable, everyday items designed to help you reduce single-use waste. By choosing thoughtful alternatives to disposable products, you make eco-friendly actions a regular part of life. Building your own kit is a practical first step towards living with less trash and a lighter footprint on the planet.
Essential reusable bags.
Reusable bags are a must-have in any zero-waste kit. Sturdy fabric totes replace single-use plastic bags for shopping, while lightweight produce bags made from mesh or cotton can carry fruits, vegetables, and bulk items. Keeping a few reusable bags in your car or backpack ensures you're always prepared to skip plastic at stores and markets.
Sustainable food and drink containers.
For meals on the go, switch to reusable containers and utensils. Stainless steel or glass food containers are excellent for packing lunches and leftovers. Carry a stainless steel or bamboo cutlery set instead of relying on plastic. Bring a reusable water bottle and travel mug for your drinks. These simple changes can cut out hundreds of disposables each year.
Personal care without the waste.
Zero-waste personal care means choosing items that last. Opt for a bamboo toothbrush, a bar of soap in a tin, and a washable cotton handkerchief. Instead of disposable razors or wipes, select reusable alternatives. Consider bringing your own cloth napkin and refillable hand sanitizer to further reduce trash throughout your day.
Keeping your kit handy.
Keep your zero-waste starter kit in a purse, backpack, or car for daily convenience. Restock your kit as needed and clean items regularly. By using your kit each day, you not only lower your personal waste, but also inspire others to consider more sustainable choices. Small, consistent actions help make zero waste a part of everyday life.